Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So let's continue with dictionaries here. So on the last lecture, we took a look on how we can add some of this data into a dictionary manually. But what if we have a function that does that for us? Let's make this a little bit more complicated, more flexible by using functions. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a little helper function to help me add contacts to this dictionary right here. So let's go call the dictionary, the function add contact, just like that. And this is going to take a couple parameters. So first of all, it's going to take the contacts dictionary. So I'm going to name this contacts-dict right there, just like that. It's going to take a key. It's going to take a phone, and it's going to take an email, right? We need all this data so we can make it happen. So we'll grab inside the function, we'll grab the contacts dictionary that's going to come in, okay? And we'll grab it by the key. Okay, whatever that key is. In this case, it could be Jose, Brian, or we can make up the key, right? And say, hey, it's going to be named Carol. Okay, and then we'll add the dictionary. And where the phone goes, then we'll have the phone that's going to come in, just like that. And where email comes, we'll have the email that's going to come in. Simple as that. And let's just return true here. All right. So we can say if add contact, right? If we were able to add a contact, then we can print something out. Hey, contact added or something like that, right? So just the way this is right now, we could say, let's just say added here. Let's keep a variable here. So that way, when this returns true, we can use that variable. So right here, I'm going to use the function, and I'm going to save that Boolean value into this variable here. So in here, we'll take in the contacts first, right? That's going to be the dictionary that we have on top. We're going to take that into this function. Then we're going to be taking in the key. The key in this case is just going to be Carol. We're making that up right now. Then the phone number. So I'm going to say 333. There we go. And the email, in this case, is going to be carol@tpm.com or gmail.com. It really doesn't matter, guys. Come on. So I can say if added. I can say if added, right? Then we can say print. All right, add a contact, just simple as that. And we could, let's just say 2, and let's just display the contacts here, just like that, all right? So now, the only print statement that we got right there, the only print statement is this guy right here. So everything you're gonna see on the console relates to this. Something is happening here. So as you can see here, we have this big contacts dictionary being displayed here. We got Brian right here. You got this dictionary right here, right? And then you got Brian key, and then they have a dictionary inside there, right? Containing Brian's data. Then we have another key here for Jose, and then you have Jose's data here, okay? And then you have Carol, which is something that we added with another dictionary in there, all right, with her information. Simple as that. You see how easy it was to add information using a little helper function here. Now, again, keep in mind that this is all happening in memory. It's nothing being done permanently in your computer. Very easy. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next lecture.